We're here at 111 Tramway Drive, unit number 2. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, 720 square feet. As you walk in, we'll have the kitchen. Goes right into the living space here as well. Shut the door behind us. As we come through the living space, we'll see that we have the sliding glass door that goes out into the private patio again. This and this will have some valley views. So as we come out here, we'll have the mountain views going into the Carson Valley views. As we walk back into the home, the bathroom is upstairs. It has tub to ceiling tiling done with the tub insert. A little area off to the side here with a little table set up. As we make our way downstairs, when we go to the left here, we'll enter bedroom number 1. This is the larger bedroom. You'll have your closet space. And as we come across the hall, we'll be coming towards bedroom number 2. And this one does not have a closet section inside the bedroom, but there is the storage area up here. They do use this as a rental. So it is something that one seems like it's locked right now. It's something they keep all of their cleaning supplies in for their cleaners, but that could be a little closet space for the bedroom there. And if you have any questions about this property, feel free to reach out and I'll be happy to answer anything you have questions about.